Okay, kids, stop messing with fire alarms in your schools. Please stop doing that. Because what you are doing is risking the lives of people inside the school and people outside of the school. Kids that mess with fire alarms in schools should be suspended, expelled, they should be grounded by their parents, and when adults at 18 years old and older, they should be fined and they should be arrested by the police. Because it is a felony to mess with fire alarms in schools and in every public building. Fire alarms are not toys. They are life safety devices. So, if you have been messing with them, please stop. And if you have not, never ever mess with them. Because these are very serious life safety devices. These are not meant to be played with. Now, if you have your own fire alarms at home, then you can play with them, but in a public building like a school, do not, or else you will get into serious trouble. Bye.